Oh, it moves. It steers.
There you go. You'll be able to see it, I think, Graham.
Yeah, that's the plan.
Oh,
wow, look at that. Beautiful.
Do an educated guess on the expo and everything?
Yeah. You know the good thing?
You'd have to figure out the other way out in the sun.
No, I'll keep it. I'm used to the sun. I'll go under it. But not one click of trim.
Not one what?
Not one click of trim.
Not one click of trim. How about that?
That's full beans.
That's full power, is it?
Yeah. That's half power.
I'd have to be happy with that.
Mm.
Touchy on the elevator, is it?
Tad, but not bad. On the low rates, it's quite manageable.
Oh, you're on low rate.
Yeah, I can kick it up a bit more, but it's still. I think even low rates I got set to 90%. Just looking at how much movement it had. Nice roll.
Nice
roll. That was beautiful.
Does it fly slow?
Oh, I don't want to try.
Up high you'd be alright.
Yeah. Let's we'll get the Maiden out the way with, then I'll start playing with it. But that roll rate's beautiful. Look at that. That's just magic. There was no elevator input at all. Yeah. No elevator input at all.
Good choice of model, right? Well, that's quite a while. I've read the thread, by the way. You know, there's still the odd one or two kicking around on RC group. Fly them. I had one bloke come onto one of the forums and he said he didn't like it. He didn't like the wing section. I thought, huh?
How can you not?
That's what this one, we get idiots on RC group.
It was designed for doing our practice.
If you get idiots post on RC group, they don't know what you're talking about.
And of course it was for the ones who want to fly in bird as well.
Geez, it carries at speed.
I thought you were coming in for a landing.
I was.
Did you just you didn't turn the motor off, did you? You just turned it down?
I had a zero throttle coming in then.
Yep.
Yeah, it just doesn't want to slow down.
It does go fast.
That means there's not much drag. It's drag.
Right, I'm off the power now. I won't turn too steep. I don't want to find out at tip stalls. Yeah, I should be able to get it down now. That's on the field.
Very nice. Oh, taxi around. Taxi around. Excellent, mate. Good job, Gray.
Thank you.